Hey guys, so I thought I'd try it this time using the webcam as well. So we've just done the quick toolbar. The next thing I want you to do is 1, and I want you to type number, Number. Number. Okay? And then I want you to go into B2 and type months. In A2, I would like you to put the number 1, put the number 2. I would then like you to select A2 and A3. And then what we're going to do is use the autofill to put the remaining 10 months in. So once you see the cross, I want you to pull down sorry. Sorry, I don't know what, I'm not sure what happened then. So I'm just going to highlight again and just continue dragging it down to 13. So you see that the autofill, because we put the first number in, the second number, and we selected them, then we pulled it down, and Excel knows to automatically fill them fields in for you. So we're going to do it again over here. So what I want you to do is type January. February. Again, highlight. Get the handle and drag down. Another thing while we're on this screen, you can see here some of my text in Excel. A quick way of making the cell size fit would be to just double click, get your mouse hovering in between B and C and double click. And you'll see September previously was in the other column, but because we double clicked, Excel has made it so that all the months fit neatly into the column. So you may see that part a lot. You might open an Excel worksheet and it might appear like, let me put in some. What I'm going to do is just increase that text size just to show you. When the screen decides to not go slow on me. So yeah, on Excel sheets you're probably going to cross a lot of these if your sheet has not been formatted correctly. So yeah, spreadsheets, if the format has not been corrected for you, again, like I just showed you quickly, you're just going to go and double click again. So what I'm going to do here is in C1 is just give it a title of revenue so that the information we're putting in makes sense to us. I'm going to reduce that again to 11. And I'm going to double click so it reverts it back and it's nice and neat. While we're on this page, highlight A1 to C1. Then I want you to go over to Cell Styles. And choose a style that you would like. Well, it can be any that you want. For me, she likes. Doesn't like me doing this for some reason. So, but basically what I'm trying to show you there is that you can just click on any of these style styles. Go back. I'm going to do it this way. Format cells. I'm just going to try this cell style again because it allowed me to do it when I paused it. So, pop-ups. Okay, so it wouldn't, I have changed the cell styles. I think I chose accent, theme, 60%. So again, any of the styles you want, any changes you want to make, using styles is a good option. So you'll notice that I've put revenue here and I've put some figures into column C just to make the data more meaningful. So the first thing I want us to do is, if we select, we need to make this data look more meaningful. So the first thing we're going to do is give it the currency sign. Now we've got a lot of zeros there, so we're going to remove some of the zeros. We're going to decrease the zeros, the decimal spaces. That looks a bit nicer. Here I'm going to type total. And then in C3, we're going to add up the total. There's a number of ways of doing this. I'm just going to show you the quick way on this. We're going to highlight. And then we're going to go in the home menu. We're going to go over to the right in the editing section. Select this M that looks like it's on its side. So if we just click the M, you'll see that it's highlighted that whole column. So what we are going to do then is press enter, and it shows you that it's added it up to 2,302,000. So we took the decimal places away, and we've now inserted a total amount and put the total amount of all that particular year. Excel shows, in MindTap, it shows us another way of doing the total. That was the quick and fast way. However, if we highlight again, and then to the right here, we have the quick analysis tool. Now this is going to be really helpful to you when you start creating more and more spreadsheets. So in this particular occasion, we're just going to click on the quick analysis. We're going to go to the totals area. You'll notice in here that we can use quick analysis for formatting, charts, totals, tables and sparklines. And again, we will be using this more as the course continues. But you can see that we can get the data bars already there, highlighting the different highlighting conditional formatting for different conditions. I can set what's greater. That looks like the top three. So again, even though I'm going to show you some examples of conditional formatting, etc., while we're in this particular quick analysis tool, I'm just showing you that it shows areas like the top three months for revenue. If we move over, it shows us the month with the top revenue. It's got icons, etc. So for this occasion, we're going to go total, and then you are going to go sum. And you see the little M is the side M is there again. So we just click on there, and it's already come up. There's already a data here. Do you want to replace it? I'm going to say cancel for now. I'm going to go back in and take that total out, and then we're just going to do it the quick analysis way. So we'll click on totals, sum, and again, it's just another way of doing that for you. So say we want to identify the top sale months or top revenue months. If we go to conditional formatting, and we click on highlight cell rules, we want greater than. So here we're going to put in an amount that we want to see all the cells greater than 100,000. And we're going to change how that's filled with light red fill box. I changed the amount to 200,000 because it wasn't giving me enough for 100. So you'll see here it's highlighted the top four. Now you can remember previously, so we did that through this conditional formatting. Who's from in here, what we can do. If you remember, you've seen these data bars and colour scales bar we've seen previously. So I'm just going to take you back there, and again click the quick analysis, and you can see the information is still all there. So this is the quick analysis of doing some of the more common aspects of conditional formatting, because you don't have to put the arguments in. If you go in this way, it's already it's already set for you, and then you can choose which one it is that which view it is that you want. Okay, so this video is becoming a bit long. It's a lot longer than what I thought it would. And I've got to my maximum time, so I'm going to set up the next video now. So you'll be going on to video 2 in the next session.